guys, maghanap ako ng order ko sa TikTok. So, siguro mga almost 1,000 lang na order ko na dito sa TikTok. So, naisip ko naman, unboxing ko mag-present ako. Like, nalaman ko. So, ita-try ko. May order ako dito. Dumating ngayon lang yun. Tapos may dalawa pa kang parating. And kahapon pala, ito yung dumating na item. Sige, I wanna try this food supplement. Saring premium food supplement. So, ito try ko lang. Parang ganito. So, haggard the versosa yung pig. Kakatapos lang mag-work. So, that's fine. So, ito try kong i-unbox. Hope na tama yung binibigay sa akin. So, let's start. So, sana tama. Sana tama. Like, nakita ko lang to sa TikTok shop. So, feeling ko maganda ata. Ganito siya, guys. So, ganito siya. So, let us unbox. Okay. So, I have to what do you call this? Forget sunscreen too. So, parang ganito siya. Should I open? Let's try to open. I hope it really works. Kasi I want to protect my skin from the sun, from UV, ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays. So, let me try. Para siyang ganito. Here. Para siyang ganito. So, let me... Sana mabango. Mabango siya. Sana totoo to ah. Okay, from Korea. Let me see. It's really from, kasi sabi from Korea daw talaga. So, I don't know how to read this one, guys. Kaya niyo basahin yan? I don't know. There's no like mga papel na there's no talaga na. Ito yung free nila. Like, goat milk soap daw. Okay. And this one. Mazo. So, let's try. Try to. Super sealed pala talaga siya. Sabi dito kasi nung ansabi, complete package daw. So, from facial wash to, so let me try. Wait, thank you pala sealer ha. Kasi ito may ano ako, may lagi naman may mga freebies. So, let us check. Super sold talaga siya, guys. So, kakaan na ko lang talaga. So, let us check kung totoo ba talaga yan. Okay. So, Parang mabango siya. Look at that. We have, look at that. So we have 2, 4, 6 from, what is this? Cleansing. So for ano lang, ganito. So this is for cleansing for the first step. So what they mentioned on the line. And the mention after that, we need to have toner. So toner. Then the mention after that, we have, what is this? A cream. So this is a cream. I can't see anything that's coming from Korea talaga siya. But let us smell them. Ano siya? Para siyang milk. Tapos, what else? What is this? Liquid essence. Okay. Para siyang, because I'm very particular sa, ang bango. So, mabango siya na sa amoy. Kasi hindi siya mabango. And aside for that, so this is the cream. I don't know what is this. But if this is a cream, yeah, this is a cream. And I don't know kung ano to, or if it's still a cream, or let me just this is cream. So let us check kung mabango ba siya. Yeah, mabango din naman siya. On uy, sayang, dude. Sayang. Every drop counts. And aside for that, there's still for eye cream. Like this. Kasi yung parang hindi masyadong tulog. So, I need this for eye cream. So thank you so much. Totoo pala na parang lagi namang totoo yung mga TikTok. So, I'm so happy for this item also for today. Thank you so much, seller. And it smells so good with also the sunscreen. So maybe I need to wash my face first and then before doing anything. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao. Bye for now.